Hi guys, this is Pat Cutting and today we are going to make a mocha with French press.
Is this really your first time? You should have.
So what do we need to make a mocha? First of all, you need a coffee bean or a coffee powder, which I got it from Akhaza coffee. It's from Chiang Rai, the northern of Thailand. And it's dark roasted, which is good for French press. And here is the French press, definitely. And we have the cocoa powder, some milk, some syrup, or a sugar if you prefer. And of course, the coffee grinder for some people who just have the coffee bean. And we have some measurements, some glass, and yeah, let's get started. First of all, we need 30 grams for coffee bean to put in French press for 1 cup of water, and we'll open it now. Smell it, it's very nice smell, very dark, and I will use something to take it off from here. And that's about 12 grams, so we will grind it. And now we just need to grind it after put the coffee bean here. And it takes about like 1 or 2 minutes to grind it. And we put more coffee since, you know, it needs about like 28 to 30 grams for making a French press for 1 cup. So after we finish grounding, we just need a French press here and put a coffee here. It's about like, as I say, about 30 grams, and put it here. And now we just need to put some hot water here and wait for about like 4 to 5 minutes. Yeah, that's about right. And cross it like this. Leave the other spade here a little bit and wait for about 5 minutes. During the time we wait for coffee, we will make some cocoa to put in our mocha. And we will use dust cocoa to make our mocha today. 2 teaspoons of this. And some syrup here. Usually people put half cocoa and the syrup or sugar and mix it clearly. And you would get the liquid like this. Alright, now it's about 4 minutes now, so we will press this French press carefully and slowly. Now we will pour the coffee to the cocoa that we make, about 1/3 and half of this portion. Alright, then mix it. And now we are coming to our last step here, which you need to pour the milk here to make some nice mocha. You pour the milk here, about here, a little more, and slowly pour our mocha cafe here, slowly. Alright, and we are done. And now this is my wife here, and she will be our testimonial today.
Testimonials?
Yes, testimonial. Alright, let's try it.
Let's see.
Okay.
good though. It's very good though.
Okay, yay, we successfully make it today.
It tastes like the cocoa is very rich, but still the coffee is like smell very nice too. Can I have more?
Of course. Okay, approved. See you to the next video.
Bye guys.